Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove TurboTax Premium. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, you'll need to visit the TurboTax official website, so open up your preferred web browser and navigate to turbotax.intuit.com. After signing in, you'll be directed to the TurboTax homepage. Here you're looking for a button or link that refers to your Intuit account. Click on that, and it will lead you to a new page with detailed views of your account settings and preferences. Now that you're on the Intuit account page, look for the Manage Subscription option. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll want to proceed to Products and Billing. Clicking here is crucial as it takes you directly to the place where all your subscription details are stored. In this section, you'll see an overview of your existing subscriptions, and this is where you can make changes to them, like removing TurboTax Premium. You may have to provide a reason for cancellation or confirm your decision, so be prepared for 1 or 2 additional prompts. And that's it. So that is how you can remove TurboTax Premium. So that's all for this video. Thanks.